In this video, we're going to show you how to get all the packages to set up VR. So first of all, we have a 3D core. This is Unity 2022. So first thing we're going to do is go to Window, Package Manager, and a pop-up will show up. Now, at first it'll say Packages in Project, and this is everything that's already pre-installed in Unity in the 3D core. To install new packages, you're going to click on this arrow, click Unity Registry. Now there's a lot of packages in here. We don't want to be searching for them. So instead you're going to click on the search bar and type in XR, and there's a couple packages here that we need. So if you do this in a certain order, you only have to install 2 of them. So first let's go and click on Open XR Plugin. You're going to hit Install. Now this does take a little bit of time. It's going to ask you if you want to restart, if you've saved. Yes, this is a brand new file, so we're okay with that. Now that it's reloaded, we can go install the rest of the packages. So we're already in the Unity registry. Again, we're going to go XR. And you'll notice that the XR plugin management has also installed. You can see based on this check mark, that also means that it's up to date. The last thing we need is the XR Interaction Toolkit. So we're going to hit Install. It's going to be the same thing. It's going to ask you if you've made a backup. You're going to say yes, this is a new project, it doesn't really matter. And then you are going to restart right away. If it doesn't ask you to restart, you want to restart the project. So in my case, it didn't ask me to restart, so I'm going to manually restart this. I'll just go File, Save, close it out. Now once we go back in here, we're almost done. We're going to go Window, and we're going to go back to our Package Manager. Again, we're already in the Unity registry, so we're going to go XR. And we will see that the XR Interaction Toolkit has been installed. However, there is one more step. You need to click onto the toolkit, click Samples, and we want the starter assets. So we'll hit Import, and we want the XR Device Simulator. So we're going to hit Import on that as well as soon as this first one is done importing. At that moment, we are done. If we go to our assets, you should see that there's now an XR folder and an XRI folder that we can use to set up all of our VR stuff.